Meet the Zongshen Cyclone RX2, 125, a small displacement ADV machine that's quietly proving Chinese motorcycle brands are leveling up fast. For years, riders looked at Chinese bikes as cheap alternatives. But brands connected to giants like Zongshen are starting to change that image completely. And honestly, the RX2 might be one of the clearest examples yet. This bike isn't trying to compete with massive 1000cc adventure monsters, loaded with expensive electronics and sky-high price tags. Instead, it focuses on something far more important for everyday riders: real-world usability. Engine and performance. Under the fairings is a liquid-cooled 124cc single-cylinder engine, pushing out the full A1 license limit of 15 horsepower and 11 Nm of torque. Now yes, those numbers won't scare a supersport rider, but remember, this motorcycle only weighs around 162 kilograms wet. That means approachable handling, easy maneuverability in traffic, and enough power to comfortably handle city commuting and weekend backroad rides. And here's where things get really interesting. The RX2 comes with a massive 15-liter fuel tank and fuel economy claimed at up to 46 kilometers per liter. That's incredible for a bike with this kind of adventure bike styling. You could ride for ages before even thinking about fuel stops. Tech and equipment. But the biggest surprise, the equipment list. Because this doesn't feel like a stripped-down beginner bike at all. You get a full 5-inch TFT display with smartphone connectivity, full LED lighting, dual-channel ABS, and even traction control as standard equipment. Design. And visually, the RX2 really commits to the adventure bike look. It's not just a street bike pretending to be rugged. You get tubeless wire-spoke wheels, a 19-inch front wheel, mixed-terrain tires, nearly 190 mm of ground clearance, engine protection, frame sliders, a center stand, and even interchangeable front fenders straight from the factory. That's a seriously complete package for newer riders. Prices. Now for the pricing. In Europe, the Cyclone RX2 currently starts at around €3,495, while the touring version with luggage climbs to roughly €3,800. If this bike eventually launches in the Philippines, pricing could realistically land somewhere around 185,000 to 215,000 pesos. In India, expect an estimated price of around 2.10 lakh to 2.40 lakh rupees. And in the United States, if homologate for the market, it could potentially arrive at around $3,800 to $4,500. And honestly, at those prices, this little adventure bike could seriously shake up the entry-level ADV category.